Unpack the host, power cord and accessories to confirm that all parts are complete. Open the host card slot and insert the SD memory card. Take out the power cord, distinguish each wire, and then make power connections. Find the motorcycle battery. Yellow wire connects to the positive terminal of the battery. Black wire connects to the negative terminal of the battery. Red wire is the account power wire. When the ignition account is off, dashboard is not lit. The voltage should be 0 volt. When account is on or the motorcycle is started, find a fuse slot with 12 volts. Either an existing fuse or an empty slot with 12 volts. This can be used for account power tapping. Install the rear camera with label prompt. Loosen the fixing screws of the camera bracket and adjust the angle of the camera up and down according to the installation position. Loosen the fixing screws of the radar bracket and adjust the angle up and down according to the installation position. Remove the double-sided tape protective film attached to the bottom of the bracket. Press firmly into place and secure. The radar bracket can be installed on the radar body upside down. If necessary, loosen the fixing screws on the back of the bracket to remove it from the radar body and change the installation direction. Install the front camera with label prompt. Unlock the combination lock mount and remove the waterproof cover. First, the default password is 000. Rotate the combination lock until the latch sinks in. Pull the bolt to the left to unlock. Press the release lever to the left to detach the main unit. Waterproof cover removed. Loosen the upper crossbar base and lower crossbar base. Then put the crossbar mount adapter sleeve on the motorcycle crossbar bracket. Put the lower crossbar base on the motorcycle crossbar and tighten it. Connect the ports of each line to the quick release power supply base. After connecting, tighten the lock nut. Secure the individual cables to the vehicle with tie wraps or tape. Insert the host into the combination lock mount. Tear off the protective film. Vehicle ignition, the host start. You can test to check whether the host is working properly. Then install the Bluetooth remote controller. Remove the motorcycle's rearview mirror and tighten it together with the Bluetooth remote controller mount. Comprehensively test whether all functions of the host are working properly. Comprehensively test whether all functions of the host are working properly. Functions normally. Finally fix all wires to the vehicle. Restoring the vehicle. Installation complete.